Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and share with your friends. If you want to know what I picked up for this unboxing, just keep on watching. Now, I've been looking to purchase a Parker bag, and I ended up picking this one up. Okay. I ended up picking the Parker Ombre Quilting. It finally came down. Ooh, and I'm already seeing some digs and scratches. Not good. Look at that right there. This is definitely going back. Not only that, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but right here is pretty wrinkled up. Looks really bad. So I could definitely tell this one's not a brand new bag because there's no tissue on it. Nothing is wrapped up. And that's, well, inside there's tissue. I love the color of the inside. It's a suede lining on the inside. Oh, I'm just mad that it's already damaged. This looks all wrinkled up too. Here's the back of it. And I've been wanting to buy a Parker bag. Usually the Parker bags don't go on sale. They're usually excluded from the Coach sales. So this time that I saw this go down, I just had to pick it up. But I will be going back to exchange the bag because it is a beautiful bag. I just don't know how the wear and tear on this bag is going to hold up. Let me show you how much I paid for this bag. Now, this bag usually retails for $450, and I picked it up. It came down to $270, and with my tag here in California, I paid $293.63. And this is called the Ombre Quilted Parker Shoulder Bag. Pretty long name. Now, let's see. Here is the tag for it. See, I could tell somebody returned it because they even cut off the price. Yeah, this is definitely gonna go back. Get myself a new one. Hopefully, they will send me a new one. We will see how that goes. So here's the Coach tag. Seeing another scratch right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. I mean, it is a beautiful bag. I love the turn lock here. And this is not a bright gold. This is more like of an antique gold in the hardware. Here is the inside. Let's take this out. There are dust bags. And inside is one slip pocket right here. And that slip pocket, it's big enough to fit your iPhone. I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and that fits perfectly. Wait, there you go. That fits perfectly in that. Then you have a zipper compartment right in the middle. God, I really love the inside of this bag. I love that color, like a mustard color, and I love that it's suede. Here's the care card. So let me get this. So you could obviously double up the bag. Or a single. And that easy, doesn't get tangled or anything. Let me get a close up. And this is more of a cream pale color. On camera it picks up more of a pink color, but these three right here is more of a cream nude color, and then it ombres to a darker pink. The colors right here are pretty accurate, but this one not as much. So here's the turn lock. No feet at the bottom. The back. Sides. And as far as what fits in it, let me show you. So you can fit your phone on the slip pocket right here. Keys. If you had a small camera, right here I have the HP Sprocket printer. But say this is your little camera, whatever. It fits in there. It will fit some sunglasses. And compact mirror. This is my TORY BURCH wallet. Okay, that's probably too much. Okay, let me take this one out. It's pretty bulky. So depending on what you put in there, I mean, it holds a lot. It's pretty good size. And there we go, close up nicely. That's what that looks like. Now I did see some review, and I've read some reviews where they complain about the wrinkling in the back right here from opening and closing. I mean, I could see how with time it probably will get pretty wrinkly, but you know what, I don't really care because I'm not someone that's going to be using this on a day-to-day. This will be more for special occasions, parties, whatnot. But I'm pretty bummed about this right here already. That thing. And some more. Like, I don't know if you could see that. Like another scratch right here. So, and if you could see, has Coach right here. And right there. I mean, has a good weight to it. It's not too bad. It's alright. It has leather weaved into the chain. I mean, it's not bad. And the phone does fit in the back. Right here on the zipper pull, it has Coach engraved right on it. And also here is a quick size comparison with my TORY BURCH. So here you can see the comparison between the two. The Parker is just a quite bit smaller in height compared to TORY BURCH, but it's a lot wider in the width compared to my TORY BURCH. But of course, the leather on the TORY BURCH is way better than the Parker. So overall, I think it's a beautiful bag. I love the inside of it. I love the turn lock feature it has. And I like the straps. My only concern is, I don't know if with time, how well it's gonna hold up with use. But I do like the bag. Just we'll be exchanging it for another bag. And hopefully when that one arrives, it is in pristine condition. Look at that right there. So yeah. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I always get back to you as soon as I can. So, thanks for watching.